Can't make it to the gym, only got 15 minutes and still want a kick-ass workout to help you lose that dad bod?
I'm right here. So we got a bunch of rounds, 10 push-ups, 10 Supermans, 10 dips, 10 Spider-Man planks, those are gonna be fun, and 10 bird dogs. Grab a bench, grab a chair, make it your own. Let's get going.
That's all you need, yeah. Set that timer for 15 minutes. I'm gonna show some modifications. Joey's gonna show the full version.
Fine, I'll do the full version, it's fine.
Yeah, if you're coming back from injuries or you just haven't worked out in a while, do what I'm doing. And if you're a veteran, if you got some rhythm, you got a routine already, do what Joey's doing. Either way, you're gonna get a kick-ass workout. That dad bod doesn't stand a chance. You ready? We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go it. I'm doing the modified push-ups from the knees. I got the easy position today, man.
I guess I'll do the hard.
Even the modified can add up, man.
I like it for isolating the chest.
You really feel the pectorals?
Oh yeah, and boom, easy.
That's 10. I'm gonna go right into 10 Supermans. Up, up, and away, baby. I'm gonna get the hands up, get the feet up. Don't underestimate this workout, man.
Squeeze those glutes when they're coming through.
Bam. Feeling it. Then we got triggity triceps. Got the dips.
You gotta ride the tricycle before the bicycle.
That's true, man. Tries are turning the heads. You get that one, I get that one. Together, we'll get some triggity tries. All the way down, all the way up. Get those horseshoes. And Spider-Man planks. We're covering many superheroes today.
Wait, what, is that Marvel? What is Spider-Man?
I don't know, I'm not a nerd. I'm just kidding.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Those knees up and out. 5 on each side, baby. And we're gonna finish off with some bird dogs. You need superhero abs with this one. 5 on each side here. Want to be able to balance a protein shake on your back during this one. Keep it nice and stable.
I try to balance it on my butt cheeks when I stand up.
Charge extra for that one, man.
That's next video.
Takes coordination. Ready to start back at the beginning. That's 1 round. We're about 2.5 minutes in. Take as few breaks as possible. On the modified push-up, make sure everything's going down. Hips are going down. It's not that much easier. I think that's 10. We could review the footage afterwards, right? Into Superman.
I think it was 10.
Joey's feeling it. Go at your own pace. If you're a little slower than us, cool. If you're a little faster than us, that's cool too. Those hands way up, heels way up.
This is one I need to do more of.
Me too, man. This is a good one.
Yeah.
Don't sleep on this one.
That's
And after you do it, you'll sleep like a baby.
Yep. Those strong spinal erectors.
It's one of those ones you'll be happy when you're older that you're doing it now.
So, no grandpa bod.
That's true. Dip, 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 dip.
Here we go.
Toughest part is making sure I'm counting accurately.
Counting and talking is hard.
8. Boom. So far, so good. Let's go Spideys. 5 on each side, all you need. Peter Parker planks. 1. 2. Last one, birdie doggies. Core stability, man. Joey's a beast. Just flew in here from Hawaii.
That's right.
Going directly into my workout.
That's it. I landed and came here. Appreciate it. Gotta maintain this, Midwest tan, which is lack thereof.
That's what they say in the Midwest, man. Gym tan laundry. Got 2 covered. Gotta do laundry after this. Go right back into another round. How much time we have left? 10 minutes left. We're a third of the way through.
Woo.
You feeling it yet, man?
I got it.
Round 3, let's go.
Oh.
Gets that pump.
I'm pumped.
You pump.
The Superman's
You up.
right after the push-ups.
Superman. If you want to modify this one further, you could just do the upper body.
Yep.
Get the hands up. That's what I'll do. I'm
Like
supposed to be modified.
Like a reverse crunch. Literally a reverse crunch.
You're gonna get abs on your back.
That's right.
I don't know how that's how it works.
Like that cobra back.
Strike first, strike hard. Coming at you live from North Hollywood. I think that's also where Cobra Kai is. Isn't it?
Cobra Kai definitely could work out here.
Think that? Yeah, get ready for the All Valley Karate tournament.
Oh. Wax on, wax off.
Yes, sir, Miyagi.
We're aging ourselves. That's okay.
That's our demo.
Although, the series is new, so ish.
That's true. I almost
Started on
watched-
YouTube.
Yeah? Let's do it. Dips, Spider-Man planks. I almost watched the new movie last night, the one with Jackie Chan and Daniel San.
Oh,
I watched something else instead. Cool story, Steve.
I saw that one.
Any good?
Not really.
All right. That's what I heard.
I think we've seen one Jackie Chan movie. You've seen them all.
Rumble in the Bronx, baby.
Yep.
That's a classic. Bam. That's 10. Bird dog, finish off.
Here we go.
Modified bird dogs look like this, by the way. I go just the arms. Bam. Still work.
You can do just the legs too.
That's true too.
And there we go. What was that, 3 rounds?
That was 3. How many more are you gonna do, Joey?
How many more
We got 7 minutes
We got
left.
7 minutes.
Doing it strong, baby. Let's go right back to the beginning.
We got at least 2 more rounds.
Oh yeah, easy peasy.
Here we go.
What? Seven, 8, 9, 10. Beast mode. Supermans. I'm gonna do the modified again here.
And if you start on the advanced, if you will, you can always regress and go to modified or vice versa.
True that.
That way you can keep working.
Feeling your heart and lungs on this one too, man?
Oh yeah. My heart is in my throat. It's supposed to be on my sleeve.
These get easier the more you do them, man. Let's go dip, dip.
Ready?
Let's do it. Hey-o. Triggity tries. tricep season. What month is it? It's always tricep season.
It's always tricep. We're not gonna date ourselves if somebody watches this 6 months from now.
Yeah, this is gonna make this evergreen. Spider-Man planks, modify it like this. You can start on the knees, bring up one knee at a time. Boom.
Well, same weather in California all the time, so that works.
That's true. We're in North Hollywood, baby.
No.
If you can't reach the knees, that's fine. Or can't reach the elbows, that's fine. Just bring them up as close as you can. And work on improving over time. Bird dogs. Modified. Knees are underneath my hips.
I'm just gonna hit the legs.
Just raising the arms. You feel the tension shift from side to side.
Oh yeah.
Bam. 4.5 minutes left, man. I think we got at least one more round.
We can do one.
How you doing at home? Let's do it. Right to the next one. More you do it, easier it gets. The dad bod is leaving the building.
New dad bod.
You have another kid?
Nope, just the one.
All right.
Trying to make it a father figure, you know, huh?
Yeah.
Whew.
Hey, baby.
Feeling that one.
Yeah, man.
A little shaking.
Let's go Clark Kent, man. Superman's.
All right, forgot my glasses.
It's okay. Thinking about going to the optometrist. The writing on my phone, getting more blurry.
Uh-huh. That's that whole aging thing.
Old eyes, young muscles.
I feel like my eyes and muscles are the same age.
Bam.
This is creeping up.
Dip sit, dip sit. Don't. This is one of those ones where it looks easy on paper.
Yeah.
You start doing it.
I think people
Not so much.
mistake complexity and simplicity.
I'm a simple man. I like simple workouts. Bam.
Okay.
Spideys, we're getting there. Stick with us. If you made it this far, you're a beast. 2.5 minutes left. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Spider-Mans. Nine. Tens are finishing off with birdie dogs.
Here we go.
Abs are stable. Bring them in, belly button to spine. Hands up. Nine. 10. All right, Joey.
What
We got minute 45 left. Let's do it, man.
So
I
we
think
just
we
go?
got one more. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Last round, best round. Last round, best round. Stay with us. Let's do
here we
it.
go.
1, 2, 3, go. 1,
Modified on these.
2, 3. Boom.
There it is.
Supermans. Hands up, baby, hands up. Flying. Christopher Reeve. Christopher Steve.
No cape necessary. I see what you did there.
Joey turned down the role of Superman.
I did.
They gave it to Henry Cavill, is that his name?
Yeah. Cavill. I don't know the new guy.
They said Joey was too jacked.
Too jacked, and They said, wow, you put on glasses, we still know it's you.
6, 7, 8. Camera's going up and down.
Boom, with you.
Camera's gonna get shredded. All right, let's go. Spider-Man planks. Almost there, man.
Colin behind the camera, he is shredded. He's gonna give a camera head nod.
Boom.
Right.
1, 2, 3. 6-pack Shakur. Boom. Lost count. I think that's 10.
That was 10.
All right. And that is it. We finished it. We got 5.5 rounds.
We should do the bird dogs.
Let's do the bird dogs.
If your timer's going off right now, stick with us, whatever you got. If it's push-ups or something else, let's go. There you go.
My OCD won't let me stop there either.
Here we go.
All right. Bam! We did it. I think that was 5 or 6 complete rounds.
That was good.
Joey did the full, I modified a bit, and both of us, dad bods are melting before your eyes. Thanks so much if you stuck around to the very end. Make sure you like and subscribe. Joey, got anything else to say?
You know, let us know if you tried it, how many rounds you did. Did you beat us? I hope you did.
Yeah, let us know
Let's
how many
go.
rounds you did in the comments. We'll see you next time.